Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful and festive strand braid incorporating decorative thread, a perfect hairstyle for Navratri or any celebratory occasion. Start by sectioning a small portion of hair from the center front and divide it into 3 equal strands, then clip them aside. Take a small section of hair just behind this and secure a vibrant thread to it. Choose a color that complements or contrasts with your outfit for a festive touch. Unclip the 3 front strands. You should now have 4 strands in total. 3 hair strands and 1 thread. It should be placed as second strand from the left. Begin braiding using an over under over or up down up motion starting from the rightmost strand, adding small sections of hair to this strand each time you cross it. Continue braiding all the way down, ensuring the thread stays neat and visible throughout, and secure the end with a small elastic. You can leave the braid on one side for an elegant asymmetrical look or repeat the process on the other side for a more traditional and symmetrical style. This look is both simple and eye-catching, perfect for festive events. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative hairstyle tutorials.